Seating guests. Creating seating assignments can be easily done through AllSeatit. To begin, create a guest list within the Guest List Management feature. Please review the Guest List Management tutorial for more information in creating guest lists. Moving back to the Seating tab within a created event, select the floor plan you would like to create a seating chart. Next, select the Guest subtab. Now, select the Linked Guests and choose the linked event for the guest who will be sat on this floor plan. To seat guests, you will simply select the box next to the guests' names. You will see an orange person appear next to your cursor. You can select multiple guests' names and then place that grouping onto a table on your floor plan. This assigns those guests to that table. However, they have not yet been assigned a seat at the table. To assign seats at the table, select the table you just sat the guests at. Within the Properties box that appears, select the Guest tab. Here you will see the names of the guests you just placed at the table. At the bottom of the Properties box, you will see a chair icon. By selecting the chair icon, you can now assign seats of guests at this table. When a guest has been assigned to a table, you will see a green check mark appear next to the guest's name. When a guest has been assigned to a chair, you will see an orange chair icon appear next to the guest's name. When a guest has been assigned to a table, you can select the guest's name within the Guest subtab list, and the table will elevate on your diagram, indicating that is where the guest has been assigned. Located within the top toolbar, the last tool, the pie chart, will provide you a color coding on the tables based from the occupancy. Lastly, please note the two displays that are now available when guests have been assigned to chairs. To enable these two displays, select the one with a square icon located in the top toolbar. Select the circle by the assigned seat and the guest names displays to activate these displays.